Okay guys, if you have trouble cracking your back or have back pain or just want a good heart opener, yoga wheel. It really surprises me how many of my clients or just people in general have no idea what I'm talking about when I tell them that I use this to crack my back, and I just love it so much. I don't sell them, but it's amazing. So just use your feet as your foundation here, and you just start slowly rolling up your spine until you hit your sacrum. Now, here, if you have any psoas problems or quad hip tightness, just hanging out here on the sacrum will give that a nice stretch. Now, if you're more interested in cracking the back, you can use your feet to slowly draw yourself down, just slowly on each vertebra, until you hear a nice crack. You can hang out with the yoga wheel right between your scapulas. Have your arms down by your sides just for a nice heart opener here. It's super nice and relaxing. I just got another crack. Yogis can use this also for deepening any kind of stretch you have, like triangle or any of the poses really, but you want a quick back crack? Yoga wheel.